science, we will be able to adopt them and make use of them also. You will use mobile phones, take advice from doctors and see articles in the media. To understand how new developments affect you. To understand how science itself has changed. Science can help you to investigate issues such as the effect of exercise on my heart. What happens if I exercise more or less? What affects the speed of chemical reactions? The use of solar panels and heater panels. These are some of the simple examples which I am giving you, but science does a lot more than what I am going to tell you. Science can help you to learn about a wider range of scientific ideas so that you could use science in your career. To carry out investigations using a range of approaches, including researching useful sources, working on your own and with others. To make measurements, analyze your results, draw conclusions and evaluate your work. Measurement is very important. Lord Kelvin has said that whatever you say, if you can't measure it and put it in numbers, your knowledge has not started. The starting of the knowledge process starts only when you, whatever you are saying, you can put it in numbers. इतना हो गया, तब कुछ बात बनेगा ना कुछ नहीं. रंग साफ हो गया है, पहले रंग की क्या वैल्यू थी, अब रंग की क्या वैल्यू, अगर हम क्वांटिफिकेशन कर सकते हैं तब तो हम पॉपुलर कर पाएंगे. इसी बात से मोस्ट ऑफ द एडवर्टाइजमेंट आप लोग देखते होंगे कि दवा लेने के पहले हालत थी, दवा लेने के बाद कितना % हो गया. सही है गलत नहीं मालूम है, बट इट इज द इम्पैक्ट विच गिव्स. Science can help you in looking at industrial, ethical and environmental issues and how different groups have different views about the role of science. See how scientists work together to develop new ideas. Now you cannot survive alone. Raman could do. Some scientists were alone, they were able to do that as mathematician. But now you will have to, because you cannot become so powerful. You will have to integrate, have a team. You must have how to work in a team, that quality has to be there. And then only you will be able to develop your ideas. Communicate ideas clearly and precisely. That's what was said, that you should develop your communication skills also. Otherwise, what will happen? You will make things and others will take advantage of it if you are not able to present to the public in an effective manner. How to study science has been a big question to me when I was a student, and when I thought I had to say something, I looked through the internet, etc., and then tried to compile something which I would have done if I were of your age. First of all, I must look at the study habits, techniques for forming their study habits. Make your interests and vices work for you. Study for 2 hours if you make 1/4 hour. Make some rules for yourself. कौन से बात किया है? 1 घंटा 2 घंटा पढ़ेंगे हम. अपने आप ही you find that you are able to guide. I mean, it is automatically done. Just like if I put on the switch, light आ जाएगा. वैसे करें ऑफ हो जाएगा. भाई हमने एक बात की फोन कॉल पे, हम 1 घंटा पढ़ेंगे. It means I am converting my vice into my interest and habit. Study for 3 hours if I watch 1 hour TV program. Study for 4 hours for 1 week map. Study for 6 hours for 1 weekend movie. As long as you are strict with yourself, that is what is required. Don't expect your teachers or parents to tell you, "Pado baith ke ye karo, wo karo." You have to be strict to yourself. When you are strict, you control. If you can control yourself, you can control the world. And if you can't control yourself, the world will control you. You can always remember that. By taking only what you have earned, you will be developing a steady habit. That is, whatever you have earned, if you try to take that only, and if you have not earned something, that is, if I am not studying for 2 hours, I will not win another 4. You have to guide yourself in that manner. अभी हमने ले लिया है. Now I must try to repay first through the study hours, and then only I will do that again. Then a place to study also. You will learn to associate that place with working. Walk in and you will feel like it's time to get down to some serious business. जैसे उस कमरे में उस कुर्सी पे जो बैठेंगे, तुरंत आपको मूव करना है. So don't change places. The room temperature should be between 65 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. There should be good air circulation. Of course, good lighting is necessary. Sit upright. Don't lie down on the couch. If you are too relaxed, your mind will be too slow. तो हमको जरूरत नहीं है, पहले उसको सामने से हटा दें। अदरवाइज वो चीज हमारे फोकस में आ जाए, वो काम की चीजें पीछे। People walking around and talking will get in the way of your concentration. So एकांत चाहिए. Experts disagree whether you may play music or not while studying. इसमें expert लोग consensus नहीं होता, and I think it is left up to you. Whatever gives you better concentration, you play music or you don't play music. It depends on you. Then schedule for study. You get more out of a lecture, lab or discussion when you are done with the reading and other assignments before the class meets. It means कल हमें कोई फिजिक्स में टॉपिक पढ़ाना है, आज हम उसको पढ़ के जाएंगे, I'll understand better. Instead of studying it after the lecture has been delivered. भूख पैदा करके जाएंगे तो खाना जल्दी हजम होगा, और खाना खाने के बाद भूख पैदा करेंगे तो बदल भी होगा, ये भी हो सकता है। इसलिए बेहतर है कि पहले इच्छा पैदा करिए, बाद में उसको वहाँ पर ग्रहण करेंगे तो आपको फायदा होगा। Use a strict schedule when the work is piled up. Use a less rigid one when there is not so much. Don't kid yourself. Even the unlikely event that you schedule a 10 to 12 hour study day, the odds are you won't follow. ज़्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट मत मानिए, आज हम जो है 24 घंटे में से 18 घंटे पढ़ेंगे, लिख लिया भाई, वो नहीं हो पाता। एक जीत बहुत सारी जीत दे सकती है, एक हार कभी जीत नहीं दे सकती। इसलिए थोड़ा सोचिए, अचीव करिए, फिर वो और सोचना। Every success will give you a success. A failure will give you failures. So don't make too very ambitious program. Whatever you can achieve, decide that. Study is a hard work. Your eyes and mind become tired and you become inefficient. If you are in a bind and must cram for days at a time, it generally means that you have put things off too long. How much time is needed? University courses is based on old format of 3 hours of work per week for each credit. For lecture discussions, courses, this time is allotted with 2 hours of outside work for each class hour. In laboratory courses, each hour of class may generate 0 to 1 hour of homework. Using this guideline, a 15 credit course load results in a 45 hours work week for the average student. Homework can range from 10 to 15 hours and so on and so forth. Scheduling the study time, this is something which you must look into. When you should sit down to study, you must decide. Don't plan on doing more than 1.5 hours of work at a time, because then your efficiency will come down. Just like battery gets discharged mobile का, charge कर लीजिए, it will not still back. Discharge battery में, discharge mind में काम करेंगे, work नहीं आएगा। 1-1.5 घंटा पढ़ा, थोड़ी देर बैठ लिए, relax हो लिया, फिर शुरू किया, then you will work with a more of energy. If you can't afford the time to take a break, at least mix up the order of the subject. अभी ये subject पढ़ा है, थोड़ी देर बाद वो subject पढ़ेंगे, फिर ये subject पढ़ेंगे. So we'll keep on changing the subject, and this way will not be just becoming inefficient. Continue that. Such that he can enjoy more with lesser time. This is what we always want to do. जब भी बाजार सामान लेने जाएंगे, चाहेंगे 1 रुपए में, अगर 1 मिल जाए तो 2 मिल जाए, बहुत अच्छा है. So this is always the nature of man, to get more from what he gives in. He wants to take more from what he gives out. To achieve this objective, and with an intention to effectively integrate with the nature for maximum mutual benefit, a few individuals had critically and closely observed the actions and reactions in the nature around. These few individuals tried to establish rules, laws with the natural phenomena around them normally followed. जब बादल आते हैं, पानी बरसेगा, ऐसा होगा, धूप ऐसी होगी. Observe those. धापी कहावतें हैं, मिस्टर इधर जब चले भूलो पूर्वाई तब सब लोग वर्षा है. That when the wind blows in a manner so that it is coming from the east and whirling around the road, rain comes. And rain comes. So they were so observant, they will observe the changes in nature and convert them into knowledge which was good for the common man. I consider this to be the birth of science and these few individuals to be the true scientists. These rules, laws help man prevent himself from the pain he was otherwise experiencing due to certain natural phenomena. In a similar manner, by using these rules, laws, the man also developed techniques to enhance the intensity of the good phenomena in the nature so that more number of individuals can enjoy and lead a happy life. कुछ सीख लिया, उससे कुछ और कर लिया, जिससे कि ज़्यादा लोग उसका फायदा उठा सकें। On the other hand, जैसा सब जगह होता है, कोई भी आपने चक्कू बनाया सब्जी काटने के लिए, कोई उसको चक्कू ले जाकर किसी पेट में भोंके दे रहा है। So science also, as it is human nature, few individuals misuse the science findings in exploiting the nature for various reasons, without caring for the healthy coexistence of nature and the man. These few individuals started feeling that they are the supreme and the nature around them is weak and therefore they can tame and exploit their nature the way they feel or decide. अपने को supreme समझने लगे. Disaster आप देख रहे हैं कई जगह. It is because some scientists or men started feeling that they are better than nature. The nature said, as I will tell you later on, thus now started an era where the man started experiencing sufferings of different kinds. Again, as in the nature of man, he started blaming everyone else except himself. That is the nature of man again. कोई चीज अभी ये टूट जैसे खराब हो गया है, तो इसमें लोग where you are involved in that, आपको कभी तकलीफ नहीं होगी. Again, we must remember nothing can affect me until I am not involved in or become a part of the process which is affecting me. ये एक law है जो कि हमने एक्सपीरियंस किया. अगर हमारा यहाँ ऐसे करके चोट लगती तो जब तक हमारा हाथ इसे लगेगा नहीं हमको चोट नहीं आएगी. इमेज तो रखी रहेगी, हम इन्वॉल्व हुए तभी हमको चोट लगेगी. We very well know that uncontrolled exploitation of the nature without adopting matches and means, हम 6 पीस उठा देंगे और 5 रुपये देंगे तो 1 पीस कैसे चोरी की. नेचर से जो हम ले रहे हैं अगर उसको रिप्लेनिश नहीं करेंगे तो हम नेचर में निगाह में चोट हो गए. और जब हम रिप्लेनिश करते हैं इट इज मोर और लेस लाइक गिविंग थैंक्स टू द नेचर. पेड़ खड़े हुए धूप में छां मिल गई तो हम सोचेंगे अगली बार हमें एक पेड़ लगाएंगे जिससे दूसरे को छां मिलेगा, या उसमें लाके पानी डाल दें जिससे पेड़ हरा भरा हो जाए. तो जब हमको कुछ मिल रहा है तो देने में संकोच नहीं करना है. इससे क्या होगा, समाज में बिजली कम हो जाएगी. Our nature is our best friend, and through science we can strengthen bondage between us and the nature for natural growth and happiness. Let science make us, our society, and the nature healthy and happy. This should be the role of the science. I don't want to scare you, डरिए नहीं, बटन दे, but this is a well-tested truth. Nature never forgets its lawbreakers. कुदरत अपने कानून तोड़ने वालों को कभी माफ नहीं करती. सब लोग माफ कर देंगे, कुदरत कभी माफ नहीं करेगा. आप कुदरत के काम तोड़िए, कानून वो आपको सजा देगी, जरूर देगी, उसके लिए कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. इवन सुप्रीम कोर्ट कांट आल्सो हेल्प यू, वो देगी देगा सजा. कोई उसमें पॉलिटिकल इंटरफेरेंस में नहीं आ पाएगा, बड़े बड़े नेताओं का भी कोई फोर्स नहीं लग पाएगा. नेचर को अगर लॉ आपने ब्रेक किया है, यू विल हैव टू फेस द मिरर. So if we break the laws of nature, we cannot escape